Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a message and clear direct message chats in Discord. First, click on the direct message conversation you want to work with in your direct messages list on the left side of the screen. The conversation opens in the main panel and you'll see the full message history displayed. Hover over the message you want to delete and click the More button that appears, which opens a menu with several options including Edit Message, Pin to Conversation, Remind Me About This, Copy Link, and Delete Message. Click Delete Message from that menu, and a Delete Message confirmation dialog appears on screen asking you to confirm this action. Click the Delete button in the confirmation dialog, and the message is immediately removed from the chat. The message disappears from both your view and the recipient's conversation, and any attachments or reactions are also removed. Now, to clear a direct message conversation from your list, hover over the conversation in your sidebar and click the X button that appears on the right side. The conversation is removed from your direct messages list. This doesn't delete the conversation itself. It just removes it from your sidebar until someone sends a new message. You can repeat this with any other conversations you want to clear away by clicking the X button beside each one. Clearing a direct message conversation from your list doesn't delete the actual messages. If the other person sends a new message or you search for that conversation later, it'll reappear with the full message history intact. If you delete a message by mistake, there's no undo button. The message is gone permanently from the chat. The More menu also lets you pin messages, reply in a thread, or copy the message text if you need to save something before deleting it. And that's how to delete messages and clear direct message chats in Discord. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.